Hey, so from all of these functions on the POCO C65, I decided to pick 5 the best features. So the first one will be definitely the sound equalizer, and you can find it by going into the settings, opening the sound and vibration, scrolling down and going into the sound effects. And from here you will get the graphic equalizer, and now as you can see we can find 8 default presets, but also we can set the custom one by moving these dots. So if you are listening to the music and you want to a little bit change the sound of your music, definitely try to use this equalizer and tell me what you think about the quality of your sound right now. The next one will be definitely the option that definitely will speed up our phone. So I'm talking about the memory extension, and we can find this feature by going into the additional settings, then scrolling down and going into the memory extension. So as default in my phone it was turned off, but when you select 4, 6 or 8 for example, you will definitely speed up your phone, and it is creating the RAM memory from our internal storage. Next, I'm going to show you how to block spam calls. So we have to open the phone dialer, click on the 3 dots in the right upper corner, go to the settings, and from here go to the caller ID and the spam. And now all you have to do is just to click on the switcher to turn it on, and now we are going to prevent suspected spam calls. It is not going to disturb us anymore. The another option will be about the locking apps. So it looks like this, that when I'm gonna open my WhatsApp, I have to provide the password. And you can also do this, and you can also lock any application. So you have to go to the settings, from here go into the apps, open the app lock. You will have to set up your password, and then from here just click on the switcher and lock any application that you want. Now if you want to open it, you will have to provide this password. So there was another tip, and I think that the last one, maybe it will be something for people who want to quickly access some features. So in this phone we can find a lot of shortcuts, and we can find them by going into the home screen. And now we have to go below, just scroll down and go into the we have to go into the system navigation, and now from here we'll have to go into the button shortcuts. So as you can see, what we can adjust, we can quickly launch the Google Assistant, close current application, turn on the flashlight, show menu, or turn off the screen. So let's try how it works. Let's say that on my menu, or maybe long press the back button, I'm going to turn on the flashlight. So let's see if it works. As you can see, there we go. We can also turn it off by clicking right here. And maybe we can also long press the menu button, or maybe power plus home. So in this one, I want to close the current application with the power button and the home button. So let's open the camera. Yeah, it does work. So as you can see, that's all, and 5 the best features of the POCO C65. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.